Good morning, students of technology at Hassan Elementary. Hey, I'm going to go through a quick demonstration, just a recap of what our project, what we're going to do for our project today. So after you watched the video, the ballet Nutcracker, and you also saw the performance last week, on your flow chart, you're going to create 6 different short descriptions, kind of main points or main scenes of the ballet. And after you've done that, then you're going to go to Hello Crayons. So you're going to do all 6 short descriptions on the flowchart. Then you're going to go to the app, Hello Crayons. You're going to draw that scene. And I'm not going to show you Hello Crayons because you know how to use that. And we do want really great detail. We want a fantastic job on Hello Crayons for each scene. So after I do my first scene, draw that picture in Hello Crayons, then I'm going to go to the app timeline. And some of us are familiar with this app from last year. The first thing that you're going to have to do is you'll have to add a new user. You are going to add the new user, make sure it's your first name and then your first letter of your last name. So, for example, I'm just going to write Mr. J here, and I already have a user created, so I'm going to have to say, I guess I'll go with the full Mr. Johnson. One thing I don't like about this app, it doesn't automatically capitalize, and I just auto-capitalized. And so you will have to be aware of when you're typing that you're going to have to make sure that you use capital letters. Okay, after I do that, I can also choose my avatar. Which is kind of fun. I like this part. I'm going to go with the spikes. And I'm going to confirm. All right, now that I've created my user, I'm going to click on the actual avatar here, Mr. Johnson. And once I click on it, I'm going to put in here project title. I don't have to worry about date, time, and event. I'm going to put project title, and that project title today will be Nutcracker. Done and start. Now, once I'm in the timeline, it's pretty easy. All I have to do is tap with my finger on the timeline when I want to enter something. So you're going to start in the beginning. You're going to put your first scene in the first part of the timeline. So I'm going to click on the beginning part. You do have to have a label. Okay, we've been using either a keyword like party or a key, actually just numbers. So we could just use number 1 as well. Okay. I'm just going to put 1, and in my short description, that is going to be the description I used for my first scene on the flowchart. So that's where I'm going to write in the short description. It does limit you to how many characters you can type, so it does have to be short and concise. You will find that if it's too long, it won't let you continue to type, so you'll have to shorten that description, make it concise. All right? We're going to leave full description blank. This does not actually pop up in the timeline. So we're just going to use short description here as our flowchart. I'm just going to give you an example here. So I'll just put first scene. You guys are going to put what you decided was your first main point. And then I'm going to choose image. You could do this first as well. All right, when I choose image, I'm going to import the picture that I took in Hello Crayons, or created in Hello Crayons. I'm going to find that one, and here's kind of a cool picture. All right, the other thing is you are allowed to move this picture to where you would like it before you click OK. After I click OK, I've uploaded my image. Okay, I do have to have label, short description, and image before I can hit the check mark. Otherwise, it will not let me hit the check mark. After I hit the check mark, now I can now my first scene is entered, and I can move it to where I want. Now, when we're flipping in between these two apps, Timeline and Hello Crayons, it's a really good idea to make sure that you click Save up here. We're not going to click Finish until you've finished all 6 scenes. Okay, so we're going to hit Save up here, and it will prompt you through a couple more menu items. Okay, we've saved. Now I'm going to go back to Hello Crayons. I'm going to draw my next scene. And then I'll go back to Timeline and enter it after I have created in Hello Crayons. All right. Hey, have a great day, everyone.